I'm Ruella D'Souza from Bots and Drones, and I am here at the Bharat Drone Manthan 2.0. Along with me, I have the privilege of talking to Mr. Manish Jaggi from Drones AI, and he's got a wonderful array of equipment here. Amazing technology on display, and we're hoping you could take us through with all this that you have on display out here, sir.
Sure. So, hello. My name is Manish Jaggi, and I am from Drone AI. We integrate AI on the edge and 5G on the drones using our no-code plug-and-play robotics computer, which is what we call as Drone Hawk AI 5G. Now, this unit contains a flight controller, it contains a NVIDIA GPU, and it contains a 5G modem.
Okay.
So, using this unit, you can actually build a drone around it, you can build a rover around it. So it's a multi-purpose solution, and the best part is that you don't have to code anything. Everything, including all the workflows, AI models, video streaming from the device to the cloud, and cloud streaming, fleet management, telemetry, mission planning, replaying the mission is packed in this unit.
So it's like a plug and play.
It's a plug and play box, and now you can see this is our 5G and AI enabled drone.
Okay.
And if you see this unit, and if I open the box, so you can see that
It's in there as well.
it's in there as well, and you can see how easy it is to fit this unit in any drone. That means you can take your frame, your battery and motor configuration and payload, and you can actually build a surveillance drone in one day.
Wow, that's quick.
Let's see the same unit, and the same unit can be deployed on a rover.
Okay.
And
So, how much time? So, you're saying this entire framework can be done in a day, and how much time does it take for you to manufacture one of these?
it takes around a week or so to manufacture the thing, and we take your specifications and we build the software, customized, made to order, so that it gets installed at your drone, at your rover in one day. That means the moment you plug in the GPS, the SIM card, the payload, that's it, and the battery, ESCs, everything. So one of our customer got the unit from us, and the moment he inserted the SIM card, we were able to see his live video feed, his live location, and support him, and his drone was flying in 1 hour.
Wow, so you can have remote assistance for a drone as well.
Yeah.
You've simplified the entire concept and made it so easy and consumer friendly that we can't believe this is actually true. But tell me about the AI bit. How have you incorporated AI in this? You said it is AI enabled.
So for the simplest use case of AI is intrusion detection. Okay. Now I'll go through my presentation as well, but for a simple use case as perimeter security and intrusion detection, what really happens today is either you have a CCTV camera that will give you intrusion, but the CCTV camera doesn't detect a lot of things. It detects what it is programmed for, right? Now, if you consider a drone that can fly to any point and can detect or can give video feed, there are cameras available which can detect humans of certain things. They are not extendable. The second thing is they can detect only, and the detection is drawing on the screen that a drone pilot can see. They have to build another infrastructure to detect what it was and report it. Okay. Now with our thing in the box, you can train an AI model to detect almost everything that you can see, report live. Okay. So that means the drone pilot doesn't have to see like this what is happening. He has a complete analytics dashboard, what happened, what time, what latitude, longitude, and that is relayed across the 5G network. So assuming you are a policeman on the ground, you can just take off the drone. Your control center can take the control remotely over our 5G network and can fly the drone.
So it touched on human decision making time,
Exactly.
which is very important in flight, any kind of, whether manned or unmanned. So that time is cut down on detecting what exactly.
Exactly, and you can integrate a lot of other sensors as well. If you can see, you can integrate LiDAR sensor, a depth camera, so autonomous navigation, collision avoidance, All the logic is built in.
That's wonderful.
And now I'll take you over the 3 different SKUs. So this is our flagship product, which has a flight controller, which has a GPU and a 5G modem.
Okay.
If you already have a drone and you want to add AI and 5G capabilities, so this is a second unit which doesn't have a flight controller. This is what we call an Edge AI, and this is multiple applications. Assuming you have a drone and your drone is a commercial drone, it doesn't have.
You don't want to invest in another drone, but you just want to upgrade it from.
Now, if you have a drone like this, where you have a space to put this unit, then you can directly put that unit. It becomes like this. If you have a very small drone and you have a live video feed coming to the drone pilot, to the ground station, this unit can do AI detections using that feed and send it over 5G, the results.
That's wonderful.
So your DJI drone, which you are using for surveying or some other application, that setup is now AI enabled with this.
That's beautiful.
And the same unit can be attached to your CCTV cameras, and your network attached AI unit is ready.
Wow. So I like the fact that you are not trying to coerce people to buy additional equipment. In fact, you are just giving them an option to upgrade, which is way cheaper, and I think could make better business with volume.
Right. And this is a third product wherein you want to make your drone connected. So this unit is a IoT gateway which is 5G enabled. So this can be used for drones, for rovers and for IoT use cases. The speed that we have tested, the upload speed with these 4 antennas is 60 to 70 Mbps on Jio network. So that means you can send a lot of data using this small device. This acts as a 5G router. So you can insert the SIM card and you can connect all the things. And this would make a BVLOS operation on any drone.
That's wonderful. One thing I've noticed that's consistent with all the products I've seen so far is you all want it to be adaptable to any kind of hardware that somebody has.
Yeah. And so this is showing the live video feed. So this is the camera. This is how it will work. So a normal drone would have a flight controller, a GPS, right, and would have a payload as a camera. So this camera connects directly to the box. So live video feed is showing on our dashboard.
Wow, so that's
this
actually what's happening right now.
Yeah.
That's us.
Yeah, so if you can turn the camera, you can actually show yourself also. And this is our web-based ground control station where you can get live telemetry feed and live video feed. And you can actually, I can show you this interface. You can actually, so these are the missions that were undertaken, and you can actually see what mission was executed, what was the path, and in 3D you can actually move around. You can zoom in how the mission got executed, right? So all these things were there, and this is like mission replay happening.
Wow.
So this
You
is
have
what,
all the data you need.
yeah. So basically this is the mission replay happening. You know how the drone was flying.
It's like what a black box would do for
Exactly.
aircraft with CVR.
Right. So now I'll take over this presentation where I'll show you the AI features. So basically, this is, I'll just increase the speed. So this is how the architecture is. I've already shown you. This is what I've and this is the AI surveillance features that you added, AI models. And now this is the video for the intrusion detection. You can see this is happening live. Okay. So this is a solar panel where intrusion is happening and the drone is flying. Now you can report what person was detected. Now the interesting part is, since the GPU is on the box, even if you have internet connectivity which is in KBs, you just have to send a small clip and the location. And these are used in for military data sets. These are soldiers, these are tanks. They build models around that.
That makes sense. It actually tells you what exactly is the intruder or intrusion.
Yeah, and then this can be used in traffic scenarios also. So you can get the speed of the car, the number of vehicles
along
passing
with
by.
the data at what speed it
Exactly,
is
and then how much, so you can actually detect like green or red how the vehicle is passing. So I mean, in a particular junction, you can find out like what is the current situation. This is the crowd estimation logic. So you can slide over Mela or so you can see, and you can actually make use of these heat maps of how the crowd is increasing or decreasing. This is the 5G connectivity demo wherein
Is
I've
this
already.
in real time or does
Yeah,
it
this
have
is-
a time lapse?
No, this is in real time, and this is
Wow.
how you can see a live drone. These are like given waypoints, and this is how it is going. This is
Okay.
the live video feed coming on. This is what we are showing right now also. So now the drone is completed. I can go over and show you the other missions also. So
This
this
is the entire flight path with
Yeah.
the parameters and
exactly.
it's like a black box and a cockpit voice
Right.
recorder but in real time, right?
This is the replay of the mission. In this, we are
this
not
is a
showing.
replay, okay.
Yeah, we are not showing the video feed, but
Okay,
the video
okay.
feed also can be shown,
Okay.
downloaded. So, I mean, there are a lot of features that we have packed.
It's pretty cool. Is that the USB of your
Yeah,
technology?
it's a no-code plug and play.
Okay. He was just explaining, Mr. Manish was telling us about the USP of the company and the products that he has. Go ahead, please.
So we have basically found out the pain point and how we can retrofit things on existing things, or we can build along our plug and play unit easily in very less time, so that we can make our customers go to market faster and bridge the tech gap. So that's our USP. If you see our brochure, this is the first time that we tell people. And the first thing it is faster time to market, bridge the tech gap, and plug and play.
I'm very fascinated. Quite honestly, I'm in awe of, quite inspired by your plug and play models and the way, I think the way you demonstrated to us how things can be tracked and actually figured out in real time. Quite fascinating. I can't wait to see more products as and when you'll come out into the market. But as of now, how many have you sold of each of these?
So we have sold in double digit these units,
Okay.
and many more are in progress. So
Okay.
we have sold a 5G enabled drone, we have sold these multiple units, we have sold these units also. So we are like getting more and more orders as people are coming to know that these things are filling their gaps.
When did you all get certified for this particular drone?
So we are basically selling to drone manufacturers. Now we have
Okay.
built a 5G drone.
Okay.
So now we are trying to get it certified.
Okay.
So it will take some time, but we'll have all the things ready.
And what do the order books look like?
So we just started selling last July.
Okay. That's quite good actually.
So we were 2 years in incubation in our product cycle, and you only published our first video in 2023. So that was our first unit. That was quite bulky. This is half the size.
We are a long association. Bots and Drones has been association with this company for a very long time. So we're very glad.
So very soon you will be able to buy this from our website, non-type certified for now on, as a test unit or as a development unit. Then when it's certified, then
If that to happen.
see DGCA certification, QCI. We have the BVLS operation also in this, so that might take some time to have a BVLS certified drone. But you can still buy it from our website probably next month or so, with a 30-minute flight time, AI enabled.
Is the company bootstrapped or do you all have funding?
It's a bootstrap company.
And is it making revenues yet? Or
Yeah.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, so because we are selling it in double digits, so. And we are also selling it for rover manufacturers also.
Which ones particularly?
Certain I can't name because we are under NDA.
That's wonderful. So we had a lovely time understanding all of the products that we have out here. Thank you so much for talking to us and we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.